Hey everyone, today we are diving deep into the world of design as we craft a personalized birthday card using Canva. Join me as we explore the intricate steps and unleash our creativity to craft something truly special for that special someone. Setting the background. Step number 1. Access Canva's design options. Let us begin by opening Canva, your creative hub for design. Once logged in, head over to the Create Design section, your gateway to a multitude of design possibilities. Here, select the card option to start your birthday card creation process. Step number 2. Exploring background choices. As you delve into crafting your card, navigate towards the background options. Canva offers an array of selections to serve as the canvas backdrop. From preset colors to customizable backgrounds, this section holds the key to setting the mood for your card. Step number 3. Choosing from preset colors. Begin your exploration by perusing the available preset colors. Canva's selection boasts an assortment of vibrant hues and soft pastels. Click through these options to find a color that resonates with the joy and celebration of a birthday. Feel free to experiment and click on different colors to preview how they complement your design. Step number 4. Customizing with custom color. Dive deeper into customization by selecting custom color. Here, you have the freedom to unleash your creativity and personalize the background. Input a specific color code or play around with a color picker to create a bespoke background that aligns perfectly with your vision for the card. Step number 5. Consideration and adjustment. Remember, the choice of background color sets the emotional tone for the entire card. Whether it is a lively, vibrant color or a serene, soothing shade, pick one that encapsulates the spirit of the celebration. Adding meaningful text. Step number 1. Accessing text tools. Now, it is time to infuse your birthday card with the heartfelt messages that resonate. Navigate to Canva's text tab, your gateway to a treasure trove of font styles, sizes, and creative typography options available within Canva's extensive library. Step number 2. Exploring font variety. Dive into the wide array of font styles presented before you. Canva offers an eclectic collections ranging from elegant scripts to playful and modern fonts. Take your time to scroll through and explore these fonts, each with its unique personality and charm. Consider the tone you want to convey, whether it's celebratory, whimsical, or elegant. Step number 3. Choosing the perfect font. Select a font style that resonates with the message you wish to convey. If it is a lively birthday wish, opt for playful and vibrant fonts. For a more formal or elegant one, lean towards refined and sophisticated font styles. Remember, the chosen font becomes the voice of your message. Step number 4. Typing your message. Now, click on the canvas and with creative freedom at your fingertips, type in your happy birthday message or craft personalized wishes that reflect your sentiments. Let your creativity flow as you type in the heartfelt words. Canva's user-friendly interface allows you to easily input your text, making the process seamless. Step number 5. Customizing text attributes. Once your message is on the canvas, it is time to refine it further. Play with the font size, color palette, and alignment options to enhance the visual appeal. Experiment with different font sizes to emphasize keywords or phrases. Explore the color wheel to find hues that complement your design and resonate with the celebratory mood of the occasion. Step number 6. Ensuring visual harmony. Align and position your text to ensure visual harmony with the rest of your design. Canva provides alignment tools to help you center or adjust the text placement on the canvas. Pay attention to spacing and layout to create a visually balanced and appealing composition. Incorporating essential details. Step number 1. Planning the card's details. As we progress, it is crucial to incorporate key details about the coming celebration. Think of the essential elements that need a spot on your birthday card. This might include the party venue, date, time, RSVP information, or any additional particulars vital for the recipient to know. Step number 2. Adding text boxes. Begin by creating separate text boxes for each piece of information you wish to include. Head to Canva's Text or Elements tab, select Add a heading or add a subheading. And click on the canvas to generate text boxes for the venue, date, and time. Keep in mind the size and style of each text box to ensure consistency and clarity. Step number 3. Organizing layout and alignment. Maintain a clean and organized layout by arranging these text boxes symmetrically on your card. Utilize Canva's alignment tools such as grids, snap guides, or alignment features to ensure each element is neatly arranged. Aligning these details symmetrically not only enhances visual appeal, but also lends a sense of cohesion to your card's design. Step number 4. Personalizing the details. Inject a personalized touch by adding the recipient's name or any specific details that make the card uniquely theirs. Consider incorporating personal touches like the recipient's favorite color scheme or a tailored message to make the card feel exclusively crafted for them. Canva allows you to customize text styles, sizes, and colors to tailor the details to your recipient's taste. Step number 5. Double-checking and fine-tuning. Before finalizing, take a moment to review and fine-tune the placement and alignment of each detail. Ensure that the text boxes are evenly spaced and aligned for a polished and professional look. Do not forget to proofread all information to avoid any typos or errors. This attention to detail elevates the overall quality of your birthday card. Step number 6. Infusing creativity with graphics. Feel free to complement these details with theme graphics or icons available in Canva's library. Add a touch of creativity by incorporating subtle illustrations or theme elements that complements the card aesthetics. Graphics can enhance the visual appeal and add a delightful flair to your card's design. Enhancing with Canva elements. Step number 1. Accessing Canva's elements library. Now, let us take our design to the next level by diving into Canva's treasure trove of elements. Head over to the Elements tab, your gateway to a vast collection of visual assets. Click on Elements located in the toolbar, opening a world of possibilities for elevating your birthday card. Step number 2. Exploring a diverse array of visual assets. Within the Elements section, prepare to be amazed by the multitude of options at your fingertips. Canva offers an extensive library of illustrations, icons, shapes, and decorative graphics curated to suit various themes and occasions. These elements range from festive balloons and confetti to thematic icons and celebratory motifs. Step number 3. Incorporating complementary elements. Select elements that harmonize with the birthday theme and resonate with the celebratory mood. Dive into the categories available, from party to celebration or symbols, to find suitable elements that add flair and charm to your card. Consider incorporating visuals like balloons, cakes, candles, or other birthday-related icons that enhance the overall aesthetics. Step number 4. Experimenting and dragging elements onto canvas. Time for some creative experimentation. Once you have spotted elements that speak to the birthday vibe, simply click and drag them into your canvas. Play around with different placements and sizes to create a visually appealing composition. Canva's user-friendly interface allows for effortless customization, enabling you to resize, rotate, or duplicate elements to suit your design vision. Step number 5. Blending and balancing visual composition. Achieve visual harmony by blending these elements seamlessly into your design. Pay attention to the overall balance and composition of the card. Experiment with layering, grouping, or arranging the elements to create an engaging and visually captivating composition. Do not hesitate to explore the different combinations until you achieve a design that speaks volumes. Step number 5. Final touches and customization. Now, let us add those final touches that bring the design to life. Adjust the layout to create visual harmony and ensure every element complements the overall aesthetics. Tweak colors, consider adding stickers, emojis, or theme elements for that personal touch. Experiment with transparency, shadows, or text effects to add depth and charm to your creation. Zoom in and double-check for any minor adjustments to perfect your design. Download and share your creation. Step number 1. Finalizing your masterpiece. Now that your personalized birthday card is meticulously crafted, it is time to ensure everything is perfected before sharing. Take a moment to review your design, paying attention to details, alignment, and overall composition. Ensure that the card reflects the sentiment and celebratory spirit you aim to convey. Step number 2. Saving your design. Preserve your creative endeavor. It is crucial to save the final design. Locate and click on the download button positioned in the toolbar. Canva offers various format options such as JPG, PNG, or PDF. Select your preferred format considering the intended use of the card. Save the file to your computer to keep a digital copy. Step number 3. Sharing digitally. Share your heartfelt creation digitally to spread joy and warm wishes to the birthday celebrant. Consider sending the card via email, attaching the save file for a delightful surprise in their inbox. Utilize messaging platforms or social media channels to share your creation instantly and make the recipient's day even brighter. And there you have it, an intricately crafted birthday card designed effortlessly with Canva's remarkable tools. Remember, it is not just a card, it is a heartfelt expression of your creativity and love. That's it for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video, where I will introduce how to master Canva, a step-by-step design, photo editing, and video creation tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you until the next one.